Alright, good morning. This lesson is for my Trig-Precalc class. I'm going to take off my glasses. This is for my Trig-Precalc class. This is for section 3.4, lesson number 2. Before I get started, though, I'd like to say I hope everyone is doing alright. I got 2 of you that aren't doing your homework. Let's get that homework done, please. I got an email from one of you about your grades. Let me say this about grades. Oh, excuse me. Do everything I ask you to do right now. All year long, I hope that the entire school year, I hope that you guys do realize that I always try to be fair. And if you do not have a passing grade for the 3rd quarter, don't worry about that grade right now. Only focus on doing the assignments that I'm giving you. That is all that we can do at this time period, and let's just do that well and get all the assignments turned in and put ourselves in a position where we can say, hey, we did everything you asked. And so let me give me some time to figure out how this is all going to tie together. Again, I'm going to be as fair as possible, so just do everything I ask, okay? And then that way, when it comes time to make grades, I can, if I need to get creative with what we have here, because I don't know how I can test yet. I've got to figure that out. All right, so let's move on into today's lesson. This is for section 3.4, lesson number 2. I read through the book's method on solving some of these problems, and to be honest with you, the book makes it more difficult than it needs to be, but nonetheless, I do think that the skills that we need algebraically are worth discussing. Excuse me. I'm going to talk about those concepts at a later date. Probably tomorrow I'll talk about it a little bit, but I'm going to do a simpler version of solving some of these. So let's go ahead and hit our goals. Our first goal is to use condensing. Remember, going this way is condensing. Using condensing and rewriting logs as exponentials, so going from logarithmic form to its exponential form to solve equations. So I have an example of one equation. We're just going to do these types of problems today. So, your assignment's going to look like this. All right? And literally, we're going to condense, rewrite it as an exponential, and then we can solve the equation very simply. So let's go ahead and go through this this process, this problem. Now I see that I have 2 logs with the same base being added together. 2 logs with the same base being added together. So I'm going to condense this into this. So I'm going to rewrite this as log base 7 of 9 times x, and that's equal to 1. So I did my condensing portion. All right. Now I have a log, an equation written as logarithmic form. I'm going to rewrite it in its exponential form. So now this equation becomes 7 to the power 1 is equal to 9x. And now I have this very easy equation to solve. I just have to divide away the 9 from the x, and I get that x is equal to 7 to the first power, which is just 7 over 9. All right. And so that's really all we're doing today. So again, please make sure we're doing this assignment. It's not a very difficult assignment. It shouldn't take us very long to do. I think I gave you 6 problems, 8 problems. Again, please, I know, again, you guys are seniors and college acceptance is based on passing this class. All that we can do right now is the assignments I'm giving you. Please do them. If you have any issues with completing assignments or you've missed some assignments, email me, reach out to me, ask me a question on the Remind app, but let's just make sure we're doing everything and I want to help you guys pass this class. So again, I hope everyone's doing well. I will post the next lesson tomorrow. Have a good day, everybody.